Guys, it's your girl Felicia. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. We're here. We are reimagining life at any age and at any stage. And if you are one of the people who think that YouTube is just for Gen Z and millennials, you're wrong. Stick around. I'm going to tell you why. Gen X is showing up, showing out, and taking over YouTube. Gen X is showing up in a major way. And honestly, we're built for this platform. Think about it. If you're 40 plus, 50 plus, you are a walking data bank of knowledge. And that's really what it's about. It's about sharing the knowledge that you have with other people. And YouTube just happens to be one of those platforms that is designed for people to find solutions. It's not social media. YouTube is a search engine. It's a place where people are searching for solutions. And that's one of the reasons why Gen X is perfect for this platform, because we've lived long enough to have so much life experience that now we can share that life experience with the world. If you can show up consistently every day and bring value, YouTube rewards you for that. There are 40 and up creators that are making mega bank by being on YouTube. Now, if you think this is one of those get rich quick type of things, it's not that, okay? It's where you can share your knowledge, share your information with the people who are watching. You can set up memberships, you can set up subscriptions, you can redirect people to your website, sell products. There are just so many ways that you can now turn around and monetize the knowledge that you have. Basically, YouTube has provided a way for you to monetize yourself. Forget looking for another job, or another gig or another side hustle. Literally, YouTube has provided a situation to where you can just turn the camera on, be yourself, show up authentically, and share that information with the world and get paid for it. What's better than that? Another reason why Gen X is practically taking over YouTube is that we're techie enough to get it done, but we're grounded in who we are. At this stage in the game, we know who we are. We know our voice. We know where it is that we're trying to go. We know we've just developed our personalities to the point where we're not necessarily searching for ourselves anymore, okay? We're grounded in the space that we're in. And that's another thing that people need to see, especially young people. There's so much knowledge that we can share with the tech gurus that are already on YouTube. I mean, yeah. And I'm not gonna say that they can run circles around us when it comes to tech. In some cases, maybe they can, but when it comes to real life, worldly experience, Gen X can't be beat in that area because we have literally lived it. We have lived life out loud. Another reason why Gen X is practically built for this platform and taking it over is because we're not chasing trends. We're actually bringing and creating content that has depth and staying power. They call that evergreen content. Content that pretty much has no expiration date. When you're teaching people certain things that just don't ever go out of style. It's not a fad. And Gen X is not a generation that chases fads or trends. We're not doing all of the, well, some of us maybe doing some of the TikTok challenges and all of that, but our social media life, our online life is not about fads or cute dances or, 5 to 7 second reels and whatnot. Although we do mix in some of that content if you are, fully immersed in the content creation life. But when it comes to YouTube and long form content, our real life worldly experience adds depth and it adds value. And that's another reason why, if you're over 40 or in your 50s, you absolutely should get on YouTube. And here's the thing, YouTube isn't just a hobby. It's a business tool. It's a search engine, like I said before. And people over 40, 40 plus, and in their 50s, they're looking for ways to make extra money. They're looking for ways to be able to invest in their businesses. They're not necessarily looking for get-rich-quick schemes. They are looking for something that's consistent and steady. YouTube is exactly that. People are making a lot of money by being on YouTube. So why shouldn't you? Why shouldn't you be one of the people who has now monetized the knowledge that they have just from living the life that you've lived? There are so many different things that you've learned and experienced by the time you get to 40, 40 plus, 50, 50 plus, 60. There are people even in their 70s that are on YouTube and they are killing the game. And if you're one of those people who's looking for that side hustle, who's looking for that way to pivot when it comes to your career, if you're looking for a way, another avenue to build legacy, YouTube can absolutely be that bridge. And here's the big thing. Here's the big thing, if not the biggest thing. There are millions of people that are consuming content on YouTube that are our age. They are our age and they are hungry for content that is relatable, content that resonates with them, content that's being brought to them by someone who looks like them, sounds like them, has a lifestyle just like them. Those millions of people are looking for you. They are looking for you to bring that value to them. They're hungry for it. You might as well give it to them. You might as well turn on the camera and become their favorite YouTuber.